Hello friends, and welcome to my YouTube channel Simply Stocks. And today I'm going to talk about MTAR technology, which can be huge from these levels of around 4 to 5,000 crore market cap. So let's understand about the business and let's understand why it can be big from here. So let's get started. First of all, a disclaimer that this is not a stock recommendation. People taking any position into any share that I talk about should do that with their own due diligence and research, and I'm not in favor or against any company that I talk about. Before I talk about MTAR Tech, a small request, kindly support me on Patreon. And once you do that, it will help me grow the channel, help you also ask me questions in greater detail. Once you get the $10 membership, you'll have access to my portfolio, my watch list, and number of podcasts that I put up from time to time. And if you pay $100 upfront, that you get 1 year access by paying for 10 months. And if you're not able to pay on Patreon, then you can join the YouTube membership. So YouTube membership is also open that you can join with a UPI payment or through, you can say, Google Pay. Now about the company, Amtratech was established in 1969 and is the leading national player in precision engineering industry engaged in the manufacture of mission critical precision components. So they are basically into this defense space, into making all these precision equipments for defense, for, you can say, missiles, etc. Clients are ISRO, NPCIL, DRDO, Bloom Energy, Rafael, among others, in a very niche space with leadership. So this is absolutely in a very different space, and probably the only one of a kind, you can say, listed stock along with that Paras glass, I think, that is listed just recently. Something of that sort name is also listed. So there are two companies, but this is one of a kind separately into this technology space. May remain expensive as it's one of a kind company. Remember that will command a higher P, and we are seeing that happening even today with the kind of move. So the market cap of the company has already gone up in the last 2-3 weeks from 4,300 crores to 4,800 crores at the moment, and it is making new highs. If you look at the financials, then these are Q1 numbers of this year versus last. So although sales only went up by around 11.5%, profit jumped by more than 60%. It is a completely zero debt company and there's decent promoter and institutional holding. Although return on equity, it seems like in the early teens, but it is improving appreciably from last year. Remember, last year was a very difficult year for almost all the companies. So this ROE could go to close to 20% in the next couple of months, couple of years. Operating profit margin of 34% is pretty strong. If you look at the performance, it has been a big outperformer since its IPO in March. And being in an interesting space, people are gung-ho about it and buying the stock in bulk, have been delivering high margins, as I've seen, more than 30% profit margins, etc. And results have been robust for the last few quarters. So basically the company is growing extremely fast, and it is a smaller cap company, as you've seen, around 4,000, 5,000 crores. So we'll do much better as economies improve globally, and in India I think there will be more demand for its work, and valuations are stretched at the moment, but on each consolidation or decline people will be looking to buy into the stock. So why I believe it can be huge in the future? It is in a very niche space, something that people like to invest into and will invest big unless a lot of stocks come into this space, which is very difficult to see. Only listed player in such a space is also means that will trade at those 60, 70, 80 times forward earnings. And in a nationally critical business with lucrative clients, this will continue to have and command higher order books and good, you can say, return ratios and profitability. There is extremely high barrier to entry in this space, and you would know about it in the defense space, and especially in this, you can say, technology space, which is related to defense and you can say national critical things. It's very difficult to have new companies coming in and gaining such clients. So I think defense technology need an improvement will remain consistent going forward, and I believe that the market cap of 4 5,000 crores is extremely less for such a business. which could easily be 20 to 30,000 crores. If you look at the technicals of the stock, then there's where it is extremely strong on charts, and we've seen that it was consolidating around 1400 1450 levels. It has taken those levels out smartly, and now it is well above 1600 or closer to that, making higher highs and higher lows and gaining even more traction. I think it will continue to outperform in the next 3 months of 2021 as well, probably whole of FY22, and may not decline sharply but only consolidate at worst. So whenever the consolidation takes place, it is down say 3-4%. Keep on accumulating the stock for long term. Valuations are stretched, but you can buy on dips, buy at current levels, and probably on consolidation and declines. You can buy more. Dips would be more than 8 to 10%. In terms of numbers and fundamentals, all look extremely strong for the company. And major consolidation would be best opportunity to buy rather than waiting for a 15-20% decline. So if the market is a little bit shaky and the market declines a bit and this stock consolidates, you need to just keep on accumulating during those 2-3 months of consolidation. It can easily be 4 to 5x from these levels. I see it becoming like 20,000 crores over the next 3-4 years. You have to be patient with such stocks. Such stocks do not move very quickly, and when they move big. So this was my video on Amtratech. Please like and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so you can get my videos straight away when I post it, and support me on Patreon. And if you are not able to pay on Patreon from India, you can join the YouTube membership. That would be pretty similar. Thank you.